Welcome to our comprehensive video series on programming and Move for the Sui blockchain. Whether you're a beginner taking your first steps into smart contract development or an experienced engineer looking to dive deeper into the world of blockchain programming, you've come to the right place. Throughout this series, we'll demystify the Move language, explore the intricacies of writing smart contracts, and even create a project that leverages Supra's Oracle price feed data. Before we dive into the exciting world of Move programming, let's take a moment to outline a suggested approach for this course. We believe that a hands-on and practical approach is the best way to learn, so we encourage you to follow along with the examples and code snippets provided. By actively engaging with the material, you'll gain a deeper understanding of Move and smart contract development. Additionally, we recommend starting from the beginning, as we'll gradually build upon concepts throughout the series. However, if you're already proficient in certain areas or interested in specific topics, feel free to skip around the video. We'll start with the basic syntax of Move, ensuring everyone has a solid foundation. Then we'll progress into writing our first smart contract using Move, exploring the intricacies of blockchain logic. Finally, we'll conclude with a final project that integrates Supra's price feed Oracle into a smart contract, demonstrating the real-world applications of Move. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, we have something valuable for you. So let's jump right in and discover the fascinating world of Move.